Welcome back, everybody. It's King Ashore. I'm here to show you guys the fishing mini game for Atlas Earth. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's enter into the Atlas reality. They have a lot of ideas coming through, guys. I'm gonna show you a little website that they have coming up. It's loading up for a little bit. You guys hear it. We got the mini game. It is 7 p.m. Eastern. It was 6 p.m. Central, so whatever. But we have it up available. I'm just doing a walkthrough of it. It's my first time playing it. I know it's been out from last week, but let's go right in it. I looked at some documentation of it, some secret documentation that you won't have access to, but I'm here to show you guys within the video that basically it is a timing game similar to the racing mini game, but it's more of an idea of you just gathering fish, right? So let's go ahead and let's go right in it. Let's start with 2 Atlas bucks. You need 2 Atlas bucks to enter, and once you enter, you'll be matched up with anyone generally around your area from what it looks like, but we got our match right here and we're going to try to catch some fish for what I'm saying. So it's a timing game. And it's based on connection as well, so you can't really time it exactly on. You have to perceive the timing. There we go. And it speeds up as you go over time. Right there. I'm quick with it, baby. I'm quick with it. So you have to change your targeting based on the speed and your connection. I tapped it. Ooh, my aim is so bad. Got big fingers. Ooh, I messed that up. Go. Concentrate so hard. Oh man, it's getting me wrapped up, baby. So you see it going really fast, and it's based on the speed and your internet connection. Looks like on one DAC, our very first game into the fishing mini game. So generally, you're not really going against the other person. It's a competition between who catches the most fish, to my full understanding. And you guys have the general time of 2 hours, whichever the time says in the mini game event, and you can see the leaderboard. As you go ahead and look at the leaderboard, you can see the global, and you see that I'm in New Jersey. We just started out, so I got 1 win out of all these other people, and the most amount of wins towards the top, the 3, the 2nd, and the 1st, you receive a certain amount of payout. And the payout details are right here. So the more people that bet into the pool, the more payout you'll get. So the first person will get 45, second person 25, and the third person 15, so on and so forth. And let's go back into the game. Let's get another example, right? We're just adding into the pool, and as long as we can score really high within that threshold, we'll get a payout. And use those Atlas bucks to gather Earth, and you go ahead and get more money. Now, that seems really slow to me. I should have timed it. That's on me. That's on me. It's going too slow for me. Uh-oh. There we go. I can tell you put a lot of work into this. You can be really competitive based on what you're doing. I was speeding up. Make sure you guys are in good internet connection and understanding timing and latency within a game, plus the latency of internet connection. There we go. Uh-oh. We're getting spiffy out here. Oh, I might have missed. Oh, I missed that. Oh, it shows you if you miss. I might have lost this. Yeah, I lost it because the first one I even get. I won that? Oh, I won. I'm so concentrated into the entire game that I'm just thinking I lost, but I didn't. All right, cool. So I'm thinking people played it more than me. The game's been out for at least a week from what I was saying. So good stuff. All right, so I won that. And as long as you guys have Atlas bucks, keep betting in it. If you guys are interested in Atlas Earth in general, go ahead and use the code down in the description. I'll definitely have a convenient code for you guys to use. And you can go ahead and join Atlas Earth, and you start out with a bonus. So it's better to start out with a bonus than not to start out with anything at all. That's how I started out. I started with a bonus, and then I never stopped playing because I got more and more intrigued into the game. I got more into it. And overall, I gave it a good chance to where now you guys see $31 in there. And I have other video ideas as well coming through. So with Jump Token, which is cryptocurrency, this is more of like just a regular game in the Web 2.0. But generally, I combine different ideas, and I have a few other videos coming through. So definitely stay tuned and stay aware of the channel by subscribing and having notifications on. All right, let's try one more at least. If you guys think I'm missing anything, definitely let me know in the comments. This is where communication comes really in hand, because if I'm missing something and going over something really important, you guys should let me know. But let's go over some tips and tricks. We got the bar up in the top. I wasn't really paying attention to that in general. But the main tips is internet connection, man. Like, you want to make sure you have good internet connection. Don't depend on your data. Use Wi-Fi as well to the best of your abilities. Get the Wi-Fi password or something. Daddy, I need the Wi-Fi password. Mommy, please, something. So, oh, there might be a little trick because it's stopping on the green as well. I thought it only did that in the red, but let me know in the chat. Let me know in the comments, guys. And I might be missing something. I could be timing something really well. Because I double tapped there, so it might be just me. So I double tapped by accident. Let me know you guys are doing that too inside the comments. The faster it gets, the harder you want to press. I'm really good at this. Oh, as I say that, I mess up. Oh, as I say that, I mess up. Uh-oh. I think I won that because I was looking at 3 in a row, guys. 3 in a row. So it's really internet connection. It's the timing. It's not so much of hoping and praying a little bit, because inside the racing mini game, you can time your shifts so perfect, and then the other person can time their shifts really perfect to where it kind of chooses who wins. If you guys are seeing that, I'll have a link. I'll have a card attached to this video, and it's really seeing who's gonna win this. You know, if both players pick the hit perfect on both sides on the launch and every single launch after that, then it's like it chooses. But yeah, really, give it a chance. Use the code down in the description. If you guys think I'm missing a certain tip, let me know in the comments. It's not so much of a difficult game. Where it was a little more technical with the racing, because you have your launch and you have your shifts. Around 4 shifts you had. But then inside of the mini game, we'll do one more. Inside of the mini game is generally you just timing your fishes, right? You want to catch the most amount of fish. You want to look like Johnny Depp in this mofo, right? You want to make sure you're catching the most amount of fish by timing, right? And the best time you can have is having Wi-Fi, right? So in understanding game latency and understanding your timing in general compared to the latency of the game and latency of he's not playing. He's like, I'm just gonna look at the mountains over here. I gave him a chance. I don't know, but to give a computer scientist take on it, there is a span. There is a window. He's not playing at all. There is a window to catch a certain item. So like here the item is fish, and it gives you a window. So we're not hitting perfectly on the fish spot to say the item location. So they give you somewhat of a window to catch these items, to catch these fish. So that is a smart thing to do as you're creating an app, creating some kind of software where you want to be able to give the person a chance to win, right? And understanding the skill level of your players and the players overall. He was just enjoying the view. I'm gonna take my time and enjoy this view. Okay. I'm just gonna sit here. But yeah, that's really it. Fantastic. Thank you, Hector. I appreciate you so much. 4 straight wins into this game. The main tips are connection, your timing inside the game of any game, and then the latency of the game and the latency of your network connection. So those are the main tips that I will give you guys. If you think I'm missing a tip or going over a tip, let me know inside of the comments. But that's really it. If you guys think I missed anything, let me know in the community or the comments. And yeah, more videos coming your way, more ideas coming your way, and they'll come really soon because we have a good amount of Atlas Earth videos, and I'll be going over some more tactics and tips to earn more money overall, to transfer the Atlas bucks and the land into real money and diversify that money and invest that money all at the same time. So a lot of ideas coming from King and Shua, a lot of ideas coming from CYBE in general, and I go over coding and basketball as well. So we're really diverse in what we do, but we really try to stay within the realm of sports and technology. So I really appreciate you guys coming through. Thank you for watching. Take care. Peace out. Oh, if I miss anything as well, definitely join the Discord as well. The Discord is wide open here, and I want to show you guys the website as well. So the website I was referring to is the roadmap. If I can show the roadmap, let's go here. Let's get my OBS. Let's go to Atlas Earth. They have different plans and different material coming out real soon. So here's a roadmap. This is the Atlas Earth website, and they are generally just giving you the idea of what's coming through. So the mini game came in Q3, and Q3 is going to be a mulligan. If I'm saying that right, more cities, and then golfing mini game, so on and so forth. Bowling in the beginning of 2024, right? So they keep you updated, and it's a really good app, and they give you a chance to earn more money. And I give you a chance to earn more money, and I give you the experience and the knowledge to earn more money inside of different apps and diversify and invest in different ways. So that's what I'm here for. I'm here to be a service to you guys. And also join the Discord as well. We have a gamers guild. We're having a dedicated CyberConnect type of Discord coming real soon. But in general, it's for gaming. Different ideas like computer science and possibly sports will be in there. And yeah, definitely come through and celebrate with us as we go past 1,000 subs. Thank you so much for that on YouTube, and we go beyond the aspects of computer science and sports. So thank you for watching. Take care and peace out.